Hi, Online Academy. I just wanted to hop on here real quick and give you a just kind of a video introduction and some guidance for this week. Really, this week we are in the midst of hopefully starting to write your Unit 2 commentary. So last week you did an introduction activity and completed an outline. Now you should be ready to write. And if you're not quite ready, you need to get to that point because this does kind of take us right up to the end of the semester. And so these really cannot be late because they need to be graded in time for grades to be recorded. And that is an official grade because it is a semester grade. So just kind of keep that in mind. So this week, you should be ready to write. I don't have any place in Schoology for you to like open a template. I really tried to just take some of those steps out to make it a little simpler. So I want you guys to just open a Google Doc and start writing your commentary. Keep in mind that your commentary, I am not requiring you to write it in any specific format as far as MLA format goes or anything like that. I think it can be written in a way that makes sense for the style and feel and topic of your commentary. So if you want to divide your commentary up into subtopics with subheadings, that's fine. If you want to make it 2-column, like a newspaper article, you can do that. You can add pictures and captions. I want you to, kind of put your own mark on it. So that's why I don't have a template. I want you to just open a Google Doc. I just ask that you do title it and use a readable font. That means nothing crazy, just pretty boring font, Times New Roman, Arial, something like that. And then the size should be 11 or 12. So don't get too crazy with that. But otherwise, you can format it in a way that makes sense to you. Okay. The other thing that I want to just mention is make sure you are starting with a narrative. So you're starting with a personal story that hooks the reader. You're using 2 sources within your commentary, and that should equal 4 pieces of evidence. So 2 pieces of evidence from each source, using the ICE method to make that flow into your writing. Your commentary should be 600 to 1,000 words, and that's really like the main things, okay? And you're answering that guiding question with your thesis statement there. I have attached in this folder an editing checklist, and that is for you guys to go through once you think you're done. You write it once, that's your rough draft. I'm not having you submit your rough draft and then your final draft. We're submitting this one time, so please use this editing checklist to really go through your paper, okay? And I have it pulled up right here. And it really is just that. It really is kind of check boxes. And I'm not making you turn this in, but this is very detailed, and it will really help you make sure that you have all of those things that I'm going to be looking for, okay? Okay. I think I'm going to delete one thing out here. But anyway, this also takes you down through where we are submitting this, which is to turnitin.com. It also has the rubric linked here if you want to compare your piece of writing to the rubric. So again, this is a very important part of this week, okay? I am explaining this to my in-person classes, which are actually virtual right now as well. I'm not even showing this to them until Thursday. So take some time to really write it before you get to this point here. Okay, and then when you are done, you will upload it to turnitin.com, and it will be in an assignment called Unit 2 Commentary. I know there were a couple people who kind of missed the turnitin.com boat when we did this in Unit 1. If that is you, please just get with me and I will help you out. I can't remember who it was now, but I said I will help you when we get to that point. Maybe you need the class code. That is on Schoology right here. I will go ahead and show you that. Wrong Schoology class. Okay. It should be anyway. Maybe it's not. But you just need a class code to enroll. And okay, yours is actually right here. I need to put that on your Schoology. But you basically just need a class code and then an enrollment key, which is Titans, if you did not do that in Unit 1. And then it's very simple to walk you through uploading that once you are finished, okay? So that is all for now. There should be a couple more video explanations coming, maybe a quick turnitin.com tutorial. But really this week, guys, is to write, edit, get this turned in, and then if you have individual questions, please reach out to me. because we're all kind of probably at different places at this point. So please reach out to me if you have questions or would like some feedback.